Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, today we are bringing you the cruise news from the port of Galveston, Texas. We are now 1 day away from our cruise tomorrow on board the Disney Wonder, and thought we'd get in a little bit of cruise news before we do head out. Alright, so my first story is going to be the Carnival Legend. Alright, so she was scheduled to sail today from the port of Baltimore. 14 days Panama Canal cruise, one of those special cruises, one of those once in a lifetime cruises, a special Carnival Journeys cruise. Well, due to an itinerary change, a very unfortunate itinerary change, instead of a 14-day Panama Canal cruise, it is now a 10-day Caribbean cruise, and 6 of those are going to be sea days. Now, itinerary changes, they are pretty common these days, but this one is pretty severe. For your cruise to get shortened by 4 days and not even go to one of the major places you were supposed to go to, like the Panama Canal, that can be a bit of a blow. And the fact that they made this change 24 hours before the ship was going to sail. Now, plenty of people will still sail. Plenty of people are still happy to go on a cruise. I would simply be happy to go on a cruise, but I really wouldn't be very happy that the whole Panama Canal section, the reason I took the cruise, got removed from it. Of course, they are citing cases of COVID-19, threat of the Omicron variant spreading around the cruise ship as the reason for this itinerary change. I also heard that weather down in Panama can be affecting cruising right now. Not 100% sure about that one. Like I said, I've seen it both as Omicron and as weather. Not sure exactly which one to go. Maybe a combination of both. So, yep, unfortunately these folks, they did sail today. They should actually be heading away from the cruise port here very soon, if they have not left already. And good luck to everybody. I hope they enjoy their cruise. I hope they still get something out of their cruise, because it's definitely not the cruise they signed up for. Now, let's jump over to Norwegian Cruise Lines. They have made a change, a cancellation of their youth programs on board their cruise ships. Now, this is going to affect children ages 5 through 12. Normally you can take your kids over to the youth programs, drop them off, and go have some adult-only time, enjoy some time away from the kids. Well, those programs have been suspended on board the ship. They are going to offer some alternative activities on the ship, but they're not going to be drop-off programs. Parents are going to have to stay with their kids. Now, the teen club for ages 13 through 17, that one is going to be operating normally. That one will still be open for your teenagers. But like I said, if you are booked on a Norwegian cruise and you have little ones between the age of 5 and 12, just know that the youth programs are not going to be available for you. You're not going to just be able to drop off your kids. You're going to have to stay with them at all times. Okay. Now, hopefully this is just a temporary issue. Hopefully, because it is January, because it is the beginning of the year, less kids are sailing. It should affect less kids on board the ship, but there's still bound to be some kids this is going to affect. If you have a cruise booked with Norwegian and this could affect your cruise, they should have or will be sending you an email letting you know about this change. And one final piece of information, or just one final thing I want to get out to everybody today. We will not have the Wi-Fi package on board the Disney Wonder. Disney does not do Wi-Fi packages the way Carnival and Royal Caribbean do it. In order to get on Disney, be able to upload videos, it's going to cost basically a small fortune. They charge by the amount of data used, not just, $20 per day, $30 per day, whatever the case may be based on your cruise lines. Nope, they charge for the amount of data that you use. So if you get on there and upload a good large video file with high quality, it could easily cost quite a bit of money to do that day after day. So we won't have the Wi-Fi package, but we are going to be filming. We are going to be taking pictures, and when we get home, we'll have all of those videos for you shortly in order to upload and for everybody to see what went on out there. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, smash that like button. Have yourself a great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas. in 24 hours.